Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. Now, our discussion is on Master and Disciple. This is an update of what is going on in the spirituality at present. Now, who is a master? A master is one who dispels the doubts and points the disciple towards the truth. Also, who is a disciple? The disciple is the new entrant who is very much interested in search for truth. As the disciple is confused about the search for truth, he does not have any clarity. He is already confused. So he goes to a master for guidance. He considers the master as the authority. But in reality, truth has no authority as such. And hence, both master and disciple are confused. Now, this is what is going on nowadays. Many masters are promising the disciples that they are going to offer truth or teaching meditation to the disciples, and they are collecting lots of money, claiming that they are teaching meditation to the disciples and also to the common public. Later on, the masters themselves will turn into corporates. Truth is a pathless land. Anybody can search it by himself or herself. Actually, one may listen to many number of masters or books, or can take the help of any help outwardly. But the seeker must seek truth by himself. Truth has no path to it. The disciple must be ready to dive into the sea alone. So he or she must be very courageous to walk on the path. But there are lot of confusions in the life of a disciple. Many people are promising him so that truth will be offered to him. First of all, who is a real master? How a disciple can find that somebody is a real master or not? It is very, very difficult. That's why lastly it happens that many masters are turned as frauds. They are telling the people that they themselves are gods. They know about the truth, and they are propounding many theories on search for truth. By promising truth, they are inviting the new entrants into the field, and they are turning their organization into a corporate. Lots of money is involved in this process. We are hearing that so many people are doing this, and hence the disciples are misguided. But the disciple must know that truth is in himself or herself. So we can search the truth by ourselves. Only we must have awareness with a meditative mind. If we have a sincere approach, then truth can be found in ourselves. No need to go to any master or any ashrams, so that they will not be confused, they will not be misguided. Truth is here and now. Anybody can search for truth. By searching the truth, we will have the confidence so that we can walk alone. So, by searching the truth by alone, we will be able to enter into the timeless dimension of life. One must have at least this courage. We cannot reach to truth. We must be able to prepare ourselves so that truth comes to us. Truth, love, meditation, silence, these are all very important words. One must know what they mean and prepare themselves the ground so that the truth comes to us. Once again, we will come up with another video in the near future like this.